Hello everyone, I am your drawing teacher Rehana Merchant. Today we are going to learn today we are going to learn this flower. How to make this flower I will explain you. First you take pencil, then take a woolen string and put sellotape on the edges, then cut remain thread. Now again you take new string and knot on it. First you take this string on around your palm and then take it around the index finger. Pass the pencil inside the string and then pull it. I have done 5 times and now you do it more 15 times. I done 20 times. Now you remove the sellotape from the edges. See properly. I'm first knot it and then take out from the pencil. See properly everything. And now I tight it. Do it tightly. Cut extra material, extra thread, you cut it. Again you tie knot. See properly. Carefully you do it. If you not handle it, to then take a mother's help. Your flower is ready. Now take a glue and whatever material do you have at home, take a glue and stick it on your TikTok pin. And now you stick whatever decorative material do you have at home, this diamond, star, beads, whatever, you stick it on it. Properly. Your flowers ready. This is the TikTok pin and now this is the rubber band. I put on the rubber band also. Please like, share and subscribe Rehana Merchant.